Happy Tuesday, everyone. Let's take a quick look at what you've got going on in the Tuesday folder. We're in the May 18 to May 22 folder. I'm underlining it. And I've got Tuesday, May 19 expanded. So the first thing you're going to do is the math assignment. It's not in here yet, but it will be listed as number 1. After that, you've got 2 social studies activities that you're working on continuously until they're done. So number 2 is the scavenger hunt. If that's already finished, then you can skip right over that. Otherwise, go ahead and take care of that because it's due next week, May 29th. The third assignment is your Pennsylvania research project, which is also due May 29th. So wherever you're at with that project, keep going. If you're finished with that project, then you're going to do what it says next to the star. It says, did you finish your PA project? Send Miss Robinson a message. And then I have something else that you can start working on for the rest of the school year. The fourth thing you're doing is the PE gym activities. Anything after that is going to be ELL, MTSS, band orchestra, or any work for Mrs. Diggins. So make sure you check those folders for those assignments. If you ever see your name in this folder, please make sure you do what it says where your name is. So after all of your work is done, don't forget to check Senko's feed to see what's going on and see messages from other teachers and from Miss Simpson. Don't forget to practice your typing skills. That's underneath the feed link. And then the very last thing in this folder is the optional activities that you can do. At the top of this page, I always remind you, are the groups. So you can check out what's going on with Miss Checo, Mrs. Hensel, and the nurses. Don't forget about those. If you ever have questions about anything, you know that you can send me a message or come to the chat. I will be there. All right, that's it for this video. I'll talk to you later.